Good morning and welcome to your market update for Tuesday, April 28, 2026. The mood on Wall Street this morning is decidedly bearish. Sellers are in control and the pressure is real. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is sitting at 709.91, dropping 0.75%. The Nasdaq is getting hit even harder, down 1.42% to 654.77. Tech is clearly under pressure today. The one bright spot is the Dow Jones, barely clinging to green, up just 0.12% at 492.44. So the blue chips are holding on, but just barely. Now let's talk the Magnificent Seven because that's where the real action is. Nvidia is today's biggest mover, and not in a good way. Shares are tumbling 3.21% to $209.66. That is a significant drop for the chipmaker. Meta is also feeling the pain, sliding 1.57% to $667.95. Tesla rounds out the losers, down just over 1% to $374.81. More on that story in a moment. On the flip side, Apple is showing some resilience, gaining 0.76% to $269.64. Microsoft is also in the green, up 0.61% to $427.40. So 2 out of 5 are fighting back today. Let's shift to commodities where the story is split. Oil is surging. WTI crude is up 3.59% to $139.56 a barrel. That is a big move. We'll explain why in the headlines. Meanwhile, precious metals are getting crushed. Gold is down 2.10% to $420.88. Silver is even worse, falling 3.10% to $66.21. Money is clearly flowing out of safe havens and into energy today. Over in crypto, Bitcoin is slipping just under 1%, trading at $76,050. Ethereum is essentially flat, edging up 0.20% to $2,278.66. Not a lot of conviction in the digital asset space this morning. Forex data is unavailable for this session, so we'll skip that and jump right into the headlines driving today's moves. First up, and this is the big one, Iran peace talks have stalled according to CNBC. That's sending oil prices soaring and dragging S&P 500 futures lower. Geopolitical uncertainty is back on the table, and markets do not like uncertainty. Second, Investors Business Daily is reporting that Elon Musk registered 304 million Tesla shares. That's a massive registration, and the stock is sinking on the news. Investors are clearly concerned about potential dilution or a large sale ahead. And finally, something fascinating from TechCrunch. OpenAI may be developing a phone where AI agents replace traditional apps entirely. That could reshape how we think about mobile computing. It's still early, but the tech world is buzzing about this one. So to recap this morning, bears are in the driver's seat. Tech is under heavy pressure, especially Nvidia. Oil is ripping higher on stalled peace talks in the Middle East and Tesla shareholders are rattled by that massive share registration. Watch for any updates on the Iran negotiations throughout the day. That story is moving oil and could swing the broader market. Also keep an eye on Tesla volume to see if selling accelerates. And stay tuned for any more details on that OpenAI phone project. That's your morning market update. Stay sharp, stay informed, and we'll see you tomorrow.